Which is grammatically correct? Everybody have or everybody has? Everybody is third person singular. The words everyone, everybody, and everything are pronouns that describe a group of people or things, but grammatically they are singular. Actually, the last part of each word is a singular noun: body, one, and thing. Let me give a rule and let's call it but. Words ending with body, one, things are always singular. So what comes after everybody? Have or has? The correct form is everybody has. Now let's check out another example. For example, everybody is coming to the party. Everybody has a reason to smile. Everybody likes ice cream. And the last one, everything is perfect. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more and see you soon.